Welcome back to our channel, How to Guide Everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete your Genshin Impact account on your mobile phone. So right now I'm playing Genshin Impact on my phone over here. So as you guys can see it, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Genshin Impact account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with today's video. So Genshin Impact is a free-to-play game available for iOS and PC, so you can easily download it from App Store. And if you guys have played this game and you guys want to delete it for some reason because you didn't like it or this or that, then it's pretty simple. The first step, you want to click on this little icon at the top left corner of your screen, and it's going to open up just like this. Over here, you want to go on setting. And once you go under setting, wait for some time. And over here, you want to go on versus account. Once you go on account, you want to click on user setting tab to proceed. Once you click on it, it's going to take you another site, which is the official website of Genshin Impact. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down and click on versus delete account or click on requesting account deletion. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this. Over here, click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to take you to the next step where you guys can delete your Genshin Impact account. Just like this, you click on next. Now you click on send code. What this is going to do is this is going to send a verification code to your email. You need to go to your email and check the verification code and type that verification code over here. After typing it, click on next, and on the next step, your account should be deleted. So that's how we guys can delete your Genshin Impact account. But you guys have, decided to delete your Genshin Impact account. So let me make it clear. Once you delete your Genshin Impact account, all the achievement, everything you have unlocked in Genshin Impact account is gonna get removed. Because once your account is deleted, all your information is deleted as well. All right. So just you need to keep that in mind. So hope you guys understand how you guys could delete your Genshin Impact account on your mobile phone. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Stay safe.